This is Greg Troutwine with Maritime Reporter TV. We're here at the North Shipping 2017 in Oslo, and we're very pleased to have Mr. Marcus Högblomn of ABB. First off, Marcus, thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Greg. Thanks. Good to be here.
Okay. Marcus, can you give a concise description of your title and your responsibilities within ABB?
Well, I'm the segment manager for the passenger vessel segment, and which also includes ice-going vessels here. So, more working with the cruise ships, with the ferries mostly, but also with some of the really ice-going vessels on that one.
Specifically, can you describe the offerings of your sector of the ABB?
Well, Greg, thanks for asking. Well, we do a lot. Of course, we do the electrical propulsion. We're famous for that. We have the Azipod, which is a kind of our propulsor unit, which is steerable rudder with the propeller. Mm-hmm. But more than that, what we're looking into now is going for automation systems, digital systems, integrated systems on that one. So we like to say that we have a smart ship. Electrical ship is a smart ship as we see it. And we see the shipping is moving towards more electrified, more automation, more digitalization. And that's what we do, and that's what we think we can provide to the business.
Okay. Again, the move towards digitalization, the move towards electric ships, the move towards battery power on ships. I mean, we write about that on a monthly basis. We talk about it on our videos. I know generally this industry can be considered conservative, but can you just give us from where you sit? What do you see as the drivers to make it a reality?
Well, I see it as very real at the moment. I see we have had a major step change towards efficiency, and now the battery ships are coming. Now the fuel cells are coming. We can see the fuel cell projects are coming now also. We have a lot of battery projects already here. We have pretty many megawatt hours of installed batteries already. At the moment, we are installing for HH ferries the two largest battery ferries between Sweden and Denmark. Going to be fully battery powered ships moving from Helsingør to Helsingborg. Every day, only on battery power, totally green. So well, the future is here now, as you can say. There's a lot of these things happening. And you can do a lot of things with batteries, you know. You can go fully battery, you can go hybrid, you can do peak shaving. Lots of things there. And the whole industry now, I think it's moving very fast in a very interesting way towards that one. So I'm quite excited to be here in this industry now on that one.
Oh, very good. I've been covering this market since 1992. I think that coincides actually relatively closely with the introduction of the Azipod. Yeah. And I remember writing about some of the first ships that it was supplied on. I know there's been a lot of innovations in the Azipod over the years, including now I believe you have the D-Pod?
Oh, yeah, Greg, we have two pods. We have the D-Pod we launched a few years ago, which is an evolution of what we call the C-Pod. That's the up to 7 megawatt pod. It has improved hydrodynamic efficiency, but has a lot of the good things from the C-Pod still there. We have been able to now sell it for the exploration cruise business, which is really coming now because we can do it also with the moderate ice class. I think ABB is famous for two things. It's ice and cruise. And in this exploration cruise, we can really excel at what we are really good at on that one. So that's interesting. And the D-Pod, we have a good success with that. We have several orders coming on. We will be on the Crystal Endeavour with that one. We'll be on the Scenic Eclipse and some of these ships. So that's great. So we are very excited about the D-Pod. And also we are actually launching a new, in Miami we launched the XL Pod, which is I think it's going to be the workhorse of the cruise industry. It has over 5% better efficiency than the existing XO, but all the same good features and serviceability with all the known well-tried technical solutions that are there. So Azipod is very much alive. We've celebrated 25-year anniversary last year, I think. So yeah, it's one of our really good products we have.
Okay, excellent. Again, you mentioned the cruise, and I was down in Miami or down in Fort Lauderdale, as it is, at the cruise shipping show as well. I think in my 25 years, this is probably as vibrant of a cruise market as I've ever seen, both from the big ship side, as you mentioned, from the expedition side as well, including the Arctic cruises. Again, from where you sit, can you just put in perspective, when you look at the cruise market today, what opportunities do you see?
I mean, as you said, it's a boom. There's no question about that. I don't think we have ever had such a positive feeling on the industry as we see. I mean, China is growing. Definitely things will happen in China. We will be building cruise ships in China. We'll be supplying systems from China. So there's a lot of opportunities there. Of course, not forgetting all the business we still have in Europe. The shipyards are fully booked. They are launching new interesting projects. And as we see in Norway now also, we see a boom of exploration ships in Norway and also from other countries. So I think we're going to see a lot of new players, both in terms of operators and yards coming into the cruise industry.
You've been very gracious with your time. This is a busy exhibition. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having the time to talk to us, and see you again soon. All right.
All right. This is Greg Troutwine with Maritime Reporter TV.